Hello everyone, welcome to TechHawk. Today I was trying to change my lock screen into a slideshow of certain pictures, but I couldn't do that. When I tried to select one folder like from pictures, I have one folder named desktop background motivation. There are several pictures inside this folder, and when I chose this folder, one message showed up and it says the desktop background motivation folder is unsupported because of its location. Please choose another folder. So the reason behind this is the location itself. My folder is actually inside the OneDrive. So see, this is inside the pictures and that is under OneDrive. So I cannot actually set slideshow folder for lock screen under any folder from OneDrive. There are some access related issues there. So what I have to do is I have to select any other folder outside this OneDrive. So for that I clicked on this pieces, and from C drive you can select any folder here, but I have some pictures already from here, from downloads. For this folder I selected, let's check the address here. You see it's directly under C drive and then users and then downloads. So OneDrive is not involved here. So I select this folder, choose this folder, and now my slideshow is running without any error messages or without any message. So it's already set. So I hope this might help you. Thanks for watching.